What if you could create your own temple run-style game without coding and actually turn it into something people love to play? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the cool part. It's way easier than you think. Imagine designing your own character and building an endless runner game that's fun, exciting, and completely yours, all using a simple trick on Replit. No coding headaches, no confusing software. Just drag, drop, and tweak a few settings. And here's the best part: you can share it with friends, upload it online, or even create custom games for brands and businesses. Whether you're into gaming or just want to try something new, this is your chance to build something awesome. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it fast and easy. I'm going to show you how to create a simple tic-tac-toe game using ChatGPT. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a quick way to generate code, this guide will help. We'll build the game step by step, improve its design, and even explore ways to turn it into a paid product. Stick around till the end if you're interested in monetizing your game. Step 1. Creating a basic tic-tac-toe game. First, let's use AI to generate the base code for our game. I'll go to ChatGPT and type, "Create a tic-tac-toe game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with a simple text-based interface." In seconds, AI provides a complete script. Now I'll copy and paste it into a code editor like VS Code or an online HTML editor. This code consists of 3 parts. 1. HTML structure of the game. 2. CSS styling the board. 3. JavaScript game logic. Once I add these to the appropriate sections and preview it, we have a working tic-tac-toe game. It's simple, but it works. Let's play a quick round to test it out. Step 2. Enhancing the game. While the basic version works, it looks plain. The colors are dull, the X and O marks are light and small, and there's no exciting windscreen. Let's fix that. I'll ask ChatGPT, enhance the game by adding a gradient background, bold headings, a neon grid, and a score counter for X and O. Also, improve the win animation. With this updated code, I'll replace the old one in my editor, and now the game looks much better. The colors pop, the fonts stand out, and the game feels more interactive. But let's take it even further. What if we want to add an AI opponent? I'll ask ChatGPT, turn this game into a single-player mode with an AI opponent using the Minimax algorithm. With that, we now have a version where players can compete against the computer. Step 3. Monetizing your tic-tac-toe game. Now that we have a polished game, let's explore how to turn it into a money-making opportunity. 1. Sell it as a digital product. You can sell your game on platforms like itch.io, a marketplace for indie games. Gumroad. Sell downloadable HTML or exe files. PayHipSell app. Great for selling digital products. Simply upload your game, set a price, for example, $5, $10, and start earning. 2. Convert it into a mobile app. If you want to take it a step further, you can turn your game into a mobile app using Kivy for Python, Unity for C#. Then publish it on Google Play Store, free with ads or a paid version. Apple App Store requires a $99/year developer fee. A simple game with ads can generate passive income daily. 3. Offer custom tic-tac-toe games as a service. Freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork have clients looking for custom-built games. You can list a service like, I will create a custom tic-tac-toe game for your website or project. Businesses, educators, and game enthusiasts often pay for unique versions of classic games. 4. Sell an advanced AI-powered version. If you enhance the AI to play strategically, you can market it as a premium AI-driven game. Another option is creating a tic-tac-toe bot for Discord and charging users for access. Final thoughts. And that's it. We've built a tic-tac-toe game, enhanced it, and explored different ways to make money from it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI-powered coding tutorials. Which monetization method interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. Bonus tips for video editing. Use animated text pop-ups for key points. For example, earn on Fiverr. Add stock visuals of Upwork, Fiverr, and Play Store for monetization segments. Show real Fiverr/itch.io listings to prove earning potential.